The 2025 Wuling Hangguang Mini EV Macaron is an upgraded version of the popular Mini EV series, featuring a refreshed design, larger battery capacity, and a more powerful engine. This model continues the trend of being an affordable electric vehicle, significantly popular in China, even surpassing sales of the Tesla Model 3. It is positioned as a budget-friendly option for consumers looking for an efficient urban vehicle. As with any automotive purchase, be sure to check local availability and specifications.